Located in the Bay Collection just off of Aviara Parkway in South Carlsbad is this exquisite corner lot home with 5 bedrooms plus office and downstairs retreat and en-suite guest bedroom. Luxury living at its finest with over 4,200 square feet on 1/3 of an acre features wood flooring, a master suite with peak ocean views from the dual decks, deluxe chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances and walk-in pantry, entertainer's backyard with rockscape, beach entry pool with waterfalls, barbecue island, outdoor fireplace and fire pit, and a grassy area with a 3rd deck with a spiral staircase and solar-owned panels. This 240-plus home community is ideal for families, empty nesters, and retirees alike. Walk to the Blue Award-winning Pacific Rim Elementary School, enjoy the Carlsbad Concerts in the Park series, or play year-round sports at the Poinsettia Community Park. Also conveniently located to North Coast with church services, preschool, and elementary school. Or sip coffee and relax at their Story Cafe located just inside the grounds. You can also enjoy food and cocktails with family and friends at the newly built Windmill Food Hall. Entertain the kids at nearby Legoland, get some golf in at Carlsbad's finest Crossings Golf Course, or take a sunset dip in the ocean at South Ponto Beach. Don't miss this chance to live the California dream. To view more pictures and get more details, please click the link below.